All right, same day, March 1st, 2023. It's tax time. Now, if you watched the previous video, check that out. I'm gonna be sure I remember to do, part 1, part 2, part 3. Okay, so in this video, let's say that you started it. Let's say you had a business idea or a self-employment idea and you put it into motion. You proved the concept. What's the best mode of action to do while you're in business? Okay, I'll say this regarding taxes. It does not have to be software. It does not have to be somebody's bookkeeping service, because when you start a business, you want to grow, but you want to grow and do profitable work. You don't want to just waste time having a lot of cash flow, tricking yourself into thinking you're making money. You want to be reaching out to CPAs. Now, I'm not trying to knock any self-proclaimed tax expert that says they can get you the max back, but or some financial advisor, but their methods of marketing it's kind of questionable. So you want to get you a CPA. You want to reach out to them. You want to say, hey. Oh, and regarding those people I have family members that they have a different job every year, and they work at these call centers, and some of them have worked at call centers where they worked at tax software companies that sold the software to these self-proclaimed max back tax experts, tax professionals. And a lot of times they say when people call, they're reading the software to them. They're saying, hey, this person asking me how to do the taxes, but they're claiming to be the expert, and they're afraid to read the prompts as they fill in and plug in your taxes on the stuff. So why is that? So you want somebody that's really that lazy? I think not. And that's another thing. I see people online, advertising, because when I post my videos, social media might show me somebody else's, and I'm not gonna lie. Sometimes, they catch me with some clickbait stuff, like saying tax loophole, and I'd be like, there's no tax loophole. But let me see what they're trying to, grift off on people. Like I've heard stupid people say, rent your vehicle to yourself. What? Sign a contract with your LLC. What? Any CPA is gonna tell you, hey, remember the mileage on your vehicle from January 1 to December 31st. Give me your total mileage, keep your gas receipts. You don't need no app on your phone to keep mileage on your odometer. You don't need the computer for everything. You don't need a smartphone for everything. Don't let those people get you like that. Because any real CPA, there's some shady CPAs out there that like to tell you like, oh, this big company got, this big production company got that $1 billion from the government. Why can't you? Well, for one, those people, kind of have CPAs that's working all year long, and they pay lobbyists to pass laws to help them to get them money back. So don't let somebody excite you with stuff like that. You want somebody, they're telling you what the next person did, and they're not even doing them people taxes. What can they do for you? That's what you want to know. At the end of the day, what can they do for you? What's the best thing they can do for you? And how is that relevant to you? We don't care about what he said, she said, or somebody else's business. We want our business, So thanks for watching. Order my business book at www.paracletepub.com. Thank you.